Next, I'd like to introduce ARC3531 fanless embedded industrial computer with the most complete I/O on the market. Advantech ARC3531 supports 9th Gen Intel Core pin-type CPU up to i9-9900T. Compared with traditional ATX desktop computers, ARC3531 is more than 10 times smaller in size, which makes it easy for customers to install in application fields, as well as integrate into the equipment housing. Despite its small size, it can host more than 24 sets of external devices. The standard wide-range voltage and temperature design allows stability under various harsh application environments. ARC3531 has desktop-level CPU computing performance, rich and lockable I/O, wide-range voltage and temperature design, and supports Intel software RAID function, suitable for applications such as smart manufacturing, kiosk, and smart gates. Besides, ARC3531 can be used with Edge AI modules, Vega 320 and Vega 330, and become an AI inference engine for visual recognition applications, such as smart traffic monitoring, robots, and autonomous delivery vehicles. Take self-service kiosk application as an example. By combining Wise Device On and cloud services, the kiosk can automatically connect to the internet and log into the system with ease. At the system administrator end, you can create device maps and perform advanced group management through visualized interface. Using pre-scheduled OTA function, kiosk group update, and progress monitoring greatly reduce the personnel cost for on-site services and improve efficiency. The powerful functions of Device On, combined with the superior performance of ARC3531, allow rapid deployment and management of all kinds of intelligent applications.